The ingredients are 60 ml soy sauce, 2 tablespoons sugar, 2 leg chicken breast, 2 cup chives, 1 cup carrot, 1 pancake of milk paper, 200 grams of meat sprout, 400 ml chicken stock, 1 teaspoon corned flour, salt. Mix previously with sugar soy sauce. Cook the chicken in dice. Season the chicken and put the chicken with the sauce in container to marinate for 1 hour.
Last time we put the chicken in the fry and roast it. Once roast chicken, add all vegetables, let the beans brown, add salt, and saute 5 minutes. On the other hand, put to heat the chicken broth and add a tablespoon of cornstarch dissolved in a little water. Add to the casserole the blood of soy. Yes. And then boiling chicken broth. Let simmer for 10 minutes and serve.